Hey everybody, today we have an unboxing from the Cubicle. So this should be the X-Men Spark M and the GAN 356X. So we'll just get right into this. Alright. So let's some kind of receipt. Alright, so here they are. So we'll just get into the Spark M first. Alright, here we go. Alright, sorry for the background noise. Alright, so here we go. Wow, this thing is a bit greasy, but it's really fast, and it's a little bit tight, but even on the tight tension, you know, it turns really nice, and it also seems like it won't pop as much as the Haze 7 kind of did for me, which, you know, like usually that was caused by me like not turning accurately, but this one seems like it's a little bit more tolerant to that. So yeah, it's really nice. If I can get used to this before Sunday, I'm going to use it at Berkeley Springs. So hopefully I'll be able to do that and get some nice times. So now on to the GAN X. Here it is. We have some kind of card here. Not really sure what this is for, but it looks pretty nice. And then we have, I'm guessing this has all the nuts and magnets. And then we have the actual puzzle here, and I just gotta figure out how to get this thing open. Oh, there we go. Alright, so here it is. Alright. Wow. It's quite fast. It is a little bit loose, so I might need to tighten it a little bit. But yeah, this is really nice. And then of course we have the magnets in there, and corner cutting is really nice. I'll just do a solve real quick. Alright. Okay, yeah, that wasn't very good, but this was my first solve today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go play with these cubes a bit, and I'll probably make reviews on these later on once I know more about them and all that. So thank you all for watching, and huge thanks to the Cubicle for sending me these cubes. So yeah, bye.